In this video, we will cover what do you mean by IP security protocol, what are the types of IP security protocols, and what are the different modes of IP security. So IP security is nothing but IPsec protocol, which is working on the network layer of our OSI model, which provide the security to the packets that are transferred between the network layer from the client to the server. This is the extension to the IP protocol family that is developed by Internet Engineering Task Force in 1995. This protocol is basically provided security to our network layer. That is the traffic which is going from one host to another host, one network to another network, as well as one host to another network. This is used for encrypting and authenticate our network traffic at the Internet protocol layer. There are different services that are provided by the IP security protocol. First one, confidentiality, integrity, authentication, and replay protection. Confidentiality is nothing but your data can be kept private and it is secure from the attacker. Integrity means whenever we are transferring the data from sender to receiver, that time your data cannot be tampered by unauthorized party. In case of authentication, whenever sender has to transfer any kind of information, that time their identity can be verified, as well as whenever receiver receives the information, that time also receiver's identity can be verified. So in case of authentication, when user has to enter into the system, that time their credentials will be verified by the authority and they are providing the access to particular account, that is called as authorization. So in case of authentication, our user will be verified and for authenticated user, the session will be provided. In case of replay protection, our data cannot be resent again and again. It can be sent only once time. That is called as replay protection. So these are the basic services that are provided by your IP security protocol. Now, your IP security can be works in three ways. The first way is IP security protocol provide the security when two hosts are connected with each other. In case of second one, they can provide the security when host is connected to the network. That time, your IP security protocol provide the security to our devices, that is networking devices. So in this figure, the router is connected between the different networks and your host machine. In the third diagram, IP security protocol provide the security to different networks. So these two networks are connected with the help of networking devices and our protocol will provide the security to your devices. So these are the different three ways are there that IP security will be provide the security to different devices as well as our host and our network. Now, what are the uses of your IP security protocol? The first one is whenever you are sending the data from the sender to the receiver, that time the traffic will be encrypted format. And we are going to send our packets to the correct destination with the help of this IP security protocol. This protocol provides the authentication without encryption. As well as whenever we want to protect some information, when our VPN will be used. When VPN connection will be used, then we are forwarding the traffic from one end to another end. That time, the two endpoints will be encrypted with the help of this IP security protocol. So our IP security protocol, which provides the security to our network layer, and whenever we are going to send the packets from one source to another destination, that time your traffic will be encrypted and it is authenticated with the help of this IP security protocol. So there are two types of protocols are there in IP security. First one is Authentication Header. Second one is Encapsulating Security Payload. And there are two modes of IP security. The first one is transport mode and the second one is tunnel mode. So in the next video, we will cover what are the different protocols are there in IP security and what are the two modes of IP security protocol.